For parents or guardians. The swing and roll features curved handles, a detachable canopy, a carrier bag attached behind the backrest, and a detachable swinging seat. It also includes an optional transparent sleeve for tablets. It has a detachable basket for supplies, 4 sets of 2 wheels, and retractable feet for stability when parked. The swing and roll is ideal for any parent, guardian, daycare worker, or hospital worker who needs a better way to keep a baby occupied and comfortable. The seat includes safety belts and, when unlocked, can be used as a swing. It can also be detached and used as a baby car seat. The inventor was inspired to create this after seeing so many mothers trying to soothe their babies by shaking strollers.
This section introduces the updated strategic and tactical business plan for Swing and Roll Inc. It includes the company's contact information, such as the address in Brooklyn, New York, phone number, email, and website. This sets the stage for the detailed plan that follows. Here, we have the master outline for the updated strategic and tactical business plan. It covers various sections, starting with the cover page and confidentiality agreement. The business description follows, highlighting the company's mission, vision, and objectives. The market analysis section outlines the target market, segments, and future plans. Sourcing and operations are detailed, including partnerships and logistics. The strategy and implementation section discusses marketing, sales, and competitive edge. Financial plans are outlined, projecting growth and profitability. The SWOT analysis identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Investor appeal and supporting documentation are also included. This page continues with the market analysis, focusing on sourcing from various partners and future plans for smart toys and eco-friendly materials. It details the target market, including demographics and market needs. The strategy and implementation section emphasizes marketing strategies, sales channels, and competitive edge. The financial plan projects market growth and financial targets. The SWOT analysis highlights internal and external factors affecting the business. Investor appeal is discussed, including ROI and market size. Supporting documentation is mentioned, such as patents and market reports. The cover page is reiterated, followed by the confidentiality agreement. This agreement ensures that the information provided by Swing and Roll Inc. is kept confidential and not disclosed to third parties. It outlines the terms and conditions for handling confidential information, including the responsibilities of the receiving party. The agreement is crucial for protecting the company's proprietary information and maintaining trust with partners and stakeholders. This page continues the confidentiality agreement, specifying the types of information considered confidential. It includes business plans, financial data, customer lists, marketing strategies, trade secrets, product designs, processes, software, and other proprietary information related to Swing and Roll Inc.'s operations. This comprehensive list ensures that all critical information is protected under the agreement. The exclusions from confidential information are outlined here. Confidential information does not include information that is already public, known to the receiving party before disclosure, independently developed by the receiving party, or disclosed with prior written approval. The obligations of the receiving party include holding and maintaining the confidential information in strict confidence, not disclosing it to third parties, and not using it for any purpose other than as permitted. The receiving party must also protect the information from unauthorized use or disclosure. Upon termination of the agreement, the receiving party must return or destroy all confidential information, including any copies, and certify in writing that such actions have been completed. The receiving party acknowledges that unauthorized disclosure may cause irreparable harm to Swing and Roll Inc., and monetary damages may not be sufficient. Therefore, Swing and Roll Inc. may seek injunctive relief in addition to other remedies. If the receiving party is legally compelled to disclose any confidential information, they must provide prompt notice to Swing and Roll Inc. and cooperate in obtaining a protective order. The agreement is governed by the laws of the state of New York, and any disputes will be resolved in courts located in Brooklyn, New York. This agreement constitutes the entire understanding between the parties and supersedes all prior agreements. It is effective as of the date last signed by both parties. Swing and Roll Inc. is a Brooklyn-based company specializing in the toy market with a focus on smart and eco-friendly toys. The company aims to expand its market presence by targeting major retailers and enhancing its product line. Objectives include increasing sales, expanding distribution, and developing new products. The company plans to leverage partnerships with Rabbit Product Design and Shenzhen UK toys trading firm to achieve these goals. Swing and Roll Inc. is a Brooklyn-based cooperative offering a patented 3-in-1 doll stroller. The company was formed in 2020, emerging from Empire Mom's vision for innovative children's products. The company is owned by Empire Moms with a focus on design, marketing, and logistics. The headquarters are in Brooklyn with manufacturing in Shenzhen. Swing and Roll Inc. offers the 3-in-1 doll stroller, which includes a shopping basket, feeding table, and stroller. Competitors include brands like Melissa and Doug, but Swing and Roll Inc. offers a more affordable price point. Sales are facilitated through partnerships with Rabbit Product Design and Shenzhen UK toys trading firm. The company uses Shopify for e-commerce and Amazon for distribution. Future products will focus on eco-friendly materials and premium doll stroller models. In the market analysis summary, we see that the U.S. toys and games market is valued at $31.6 billion, with a 4% annual growth rate. Brooklyn's high birth rate drives demand for toys, with a focus on eco-friendly and smart options. Our market segmentation includes children aged 3 to 6, parents aged 30-40, and toy retailers seeking diverse products. Our target market strategy emphasizes affordability and eco-friendliness, with sales through e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Shopify. The market trends show a shift towards multifunctional toys, such as our 3-in-1 doll stroller. Market growth is steady, with a 4% annual increase, and our industry analysis indicates a competitive landscape with key players like Melissa and Doug. Our competitive advantage lies in our unique product offerings and price points. Our strategy and implementation focus on innovation, cost control, and marketing to penetrate the toy market. The strategy pyramid highlights leadership in multifunctional doll strollers, targeting SEO, social media, and influencers. Our value proposition centers on product value, affordability, and community give-back initiatives. The competitive edge is maintained through partnerships and a strong marketing strategy, positioning our 3-in-1 doll stroller as a unique offering. We emphasize social media and influencer engagement, targeting eco-conscious parents and educators with a budget of $50,000. Our sales strategy targets B2C customers, B2B retail, and e-commerce through platforms like Amazon. The sales forecast projects growth from 2020 to 2025, with significant increases in online sales and partnerships. Strategic alliances with product design firms, trading firms, and smart warehousing partners are crucial. Key milestones include prototype development, tooling, and distribution beginning in September 2020. The management summary is led by Eugene Moore, supported by advisors, a sales manager, and an attorney. The organizational structure is streamlined with contracted teams. We identify a management team gap, specifically a CTO for tech and logistics management by 2025. The personnel plan outlines salaries for key roles, including Eugene Moore at $80,000 per year, a sales manager at $60,000, and advisors at $15,000 each. The financial plan includes important assumptions such as a 4% market growth and a 50% gross margin. Key financial indicators show a cash flow break-even at 1 to 200 units, with a net profit margin of 30%. The projected profit and loss statement forecasts revenue growth from $500,000 in 2020 to $2,000 by 2025, with net profits increasing accordingly. The projected cash flow and balance sheet plans indicate steady growth, with cash inflows and outflows managed to support expansion. The business ratios show a current ratio undefined due to no liabilities, a net profit margin of 30%, and a return on investment of 50%. Our long-term plan aims to achieve a 40% market share by 2025, with potential global expansion and acquisitions. Our web marketing strategy leverages popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, combined with SEO and influencer partnerships. The budget for this is set at $25,000 for website and app development. In terms of development requirements, we are focusing on a strategic product design that aligns with the strong branding of Brooklyn. Our team is committed to innovation, high testing standards, and ensuring quality through third-party testing. We aim to expand our market reach with a goal of entering the US market by 2022 and the EU market by 2023. Our sales strategy includes both B2C and B2B channels, with a focus on e-commerce and partnerships with major retailers. We are also planning to host events at local community centers to engage directly with our target audience. Our financial projections include securing $200,000 for manufacturing via the Houston U.S. Tax Credit Program, which will allow us to produce 5,000 units. This is part of our broader strategy to achieve a 40% market share by 2025.
It's the beginning of our exciting venture. Cheers to new heights.